I'm Dr. Rajarao, Medical Superintendent and a Professor of Medicine, Gandhi Hospital. It's regarding vaccination. So now there are two types of vaccines available in our country, and in Telangana, Covishield and Covaxin both are available. Covishield completed third phase clinical trial, so it's a viral vector vaccine and it is safe and the protective rate is also high. It is having DCGI permission. Another vaccine is Covaxin, that is inactivated vaccine from our own indigenous Bharat Biotech, from our own country make, and till now the efficacy and safety is also good even for the Covaxin. But as third phase clinical trials are going, before taking Covaxin vaccine, we need to give consent. That's the only difference. And coming to the all apprehensions about the side effects and adverse events. So most of the adverse events are mild and they are minimal, and the severe and fatal adverse reactions are very rare. So what are these mild effects? What can happen? So there may be mild or pain, severe pain at the site of the vaccination, or there may be redness, or the patients, the beneficiaries may have giddiness or myalgias and weakness and nausea. Some patients are complaining of nausea and all these things. So they can occur in the second day or even third day. Up to 3 days it can occur. And neurological complications like Guillain-Barré syndrome or transverse myelitis or any cardiac ailments, they are rare. And coming to the beneficiaries who can take. Right now, any individual who completed 18 years and even with comorbidities like hypertension, diabetes, cardiac problems or kidney problems, they also can take the vaccination. Who cannot take, who should not take, means like the patients with severe immunocompromised state. For example, a person undergone organ transplantation. It may be kidney transplant or liver transplant or lung transplant, whatever the transplantation. After the transplantation, they need to use immunosuppressive drugs. So severely immune compromised patients, or the patients with bleeding disorders, or the pregnant ladies, or lactating mothers, and children. These are the ones who need to avoid vaccination. Other than these groups, everybody can be vaccinated. And from the government policy, first government is giving free of cost to all the healthcare providers. And in the second phase, like in the next month, now for example in January we are giving for the healthcare providers. After finishing this, immediately they will start for all frontline workers like police and the persons who are working with the people who are at risk. So in the next phase they are giving for this, and after that above 50 years with comorbidities, and like that government has planned. So such individuals like healthcare providers and other frontline workers and above 50 years, almost 80 lakhs people are there in Telangana, and throughout the country 30 crore population are there. So government is giving to all these risk groups 30 crores in 1 to 3 months. So later, depending upon the availability of the vaccination and depending upon the production of the vaccination, and government is planning to cover all other individuals also, and probably it may be available outside as a commercial. Anybody can buy and anybody can take vaccination. So don't believe the rumors that this vaccination give adverse reactions, severe adverse reactions. And if we take the vaccination, with vaccination, the protective antibodies will form after the second dose. So we are giving 2 doses. First dose and second dose is at day 28. And after the second dose, it will take 2 weeks to form the protective antibodies. Till that point, till you develop these antibodies, you are unprotected only. So even after vaccination of the first dose, till 42 to 45 days from the day one of the vaccination, you should be like use the mask, hand sanitization and social distance as before only. Even after protection, better if you wear mask even after the protective after 45 days also, because if other strain comes or if any other new virus comes also, you will be protected. And coming to the adverse events, to tackle these adverse events, AEFI, adverse events following immunization, there is a committee to look after this in all the tertiary care hospitals. So that committee includes chief of the cardiology department and professor and advisor department of medicine department, pulmonology department, anesthesia department, neurology department, nephrology department, forensic department, pathology, like that all the departmental heads are in the AEFI committee, and this committee will look after all the adverse events with their assistant professors and along with sisters. So this committee will observe at the vaccination site, and at the vaccination site they will keep one AEFI kit, adverse events following immunization. That kit contains all emergency drugs. So the kit they made available at the vaccination site, and after taking vaccination, that individual will be observed for 30 minutes in the observation room. And even in the observation room also, this AEFI kit will be available, doctors will be available, sisters will be available, oxygen and beds also available, and all the emergency medication is available there. So if any mild and moderate adverse events occur, they will tackle there itself. For example, any severe adverse events occurs, we made one ICU separately for this adverse events. That ICU is with 12 beds, with all multi-channel monitors, ventilators, defibrillators, and all medical equipment, emergency equipment, and emergency medication, and round the clock experienced doctors who belong to all the specialties will be there. So there is no worry about the adverse events. So it's all to boost your confidence levels that if something happens, everybody will look after there, somebody is there to look after. It doesn't mean that adverse events will happen. But any situation, any adverse events, to tackle them, round the clock, every arrangements were done. After that only vaccination process has started. Not only in Gandhi, and this being a tertiary care center, so in and around Gandhi Hospital, from any vaccination center, they were ready. There also doctors will be there and AEFI kits will be there, and if it is not managed, the ambulance will be ready and the patient will be shifted immediately to Gandhi or nearby tertiary care hospital where they have identified to tackle this AEFI. So all the arrangements were made, safety arrangements, then only this vaccination process was started. So my appeal to all the population, all the people, that don't worry about this adverse events. If you vaccinated, you will be protected, your family will be protected, your nation will be protected. This pandemic we can prevent by vaccination only. With effective immunization, vaccination, herd immunity will develop so that unvaccinated people, like children, we are not vaccinating now, pregnant people, we are not vaccinating now, lactating people, we are not vaccinating now, severe immunocompromised patients, we are not vaccinated now. So these unvaccinated people will be saved if herd immunity develops. So I appeal all the people to get vaccinated so that herd immunity will develop. Other unvaccinated people will be protected and our country will be protected from this pandemic. Thank you.